Butech Bliss has recently built and installed this 3/4 inch by 72 inch by 70,000 pound stretch level cut-to-length line at a steel service center in Cleveland, Ohio. The line has several unique features that will be highlighted throughout this video. The entry coil loading system is a V-roll storage conveyor with coil loading car. The banding material is removed on the conveyor, and the coil is transported to the cone-type uncoiler that has AC vector drives. The hold-down roll, peeler, and breaker work together to prepare the lead end of the strip and threading to the flattener. The processing roll is used uniquely to assist removing coil set from the strip. The pivot peeler acts as a shelf to deliver the material to the entry pinch rolls. The flattener design is such that it can be used as either a 5-roll or 7-roll machine, depending upon the need, based upon thickness and yield. The flattener is a backed-up machine capable of removing coil set and crossbow in all gauges. The strip is threaded to an automatic gap-setting hydraulic crop shear, where any outer wrap head end damage or inconsistencies can be removed. The strip is threaded through the entry stretcher head, which is opened extra wide for the head end threading and then closed for normal line run. The stretcher head features a knockdown protective roll to ensure easy threading through the gap opening in the stretch head. The strip continues down the stretching roller table bed and is centered prior to being fed into the exit movable stretcher head. The material is clamped and stretched, pulling all of the material to the yield point and eliminating memory, making the strip absolutely flat and stress-free. No memory means your customer can automate downstream processes or cut at maximum speed on the laser cutting tables. The strip is pulled flat consistently time and time again. The strip is memory-free from coil to coil. All sheets shipped are identical. The yield point is stored and retained for each stretch cycle and for each coil. The strip is threaded to the automatic knife gap adjustment shear across a table that is provided for a future strip marking device. A registration cut is made to establish position at the shear, and the cut-to-length cycle begins. The drop arm stacker with tamping means consistent packages to the end user. The scissors lift table lowers automatically and discharges the packs on the powered roller end discharge conveyor. The roller conveyor has a weigh scale system built in so as to be able to weigh each pack for actual certified weight. This line can process 3/4 inch by 72 inch wide, as evidenced by this strip being threaded on the stretcher bed roller table. The 3/4 inch material is gripped by the movable gripper and pulled flat and memory-free. As the 3/4 inch material is lowered after shearing, take a good look at the flatness. Does your material look this good and this consistent for your customers? An important feature of any stretch leveler is the non-marking gripper surface. Butech Bliss uses a removable media that is easily changed when required. The material is readily available and is used for many coils before it needs to be replaced. The time to change media is about 1 minute per gripper, or about the time to thread the next coil. Why send your grippers out for resurfacing when you can easily replace a cost-effective media? Another important feature is that Butech Bliss shears can be fitted with a knife cartridge system. Here we see the lower knife and then the upper knife being removed offline for maintenance. The knife cassette is easily removed using an overhead lifting device to move the knives to a convenient location to maintain them. No heavy lifting, no mechanical bolts to remove, slide out and slide in. The knife blades are driven back into the shear and with a touch of a button locked into place. Why not take advantage of all of the Butech Bliss features and purchase your next line from the innovator in coil processing? Butech Bliss in Salem, Ohio.